My name is Sheikh Altaf Qasim Saab. I am from Nanded, Maharashtra. I have completed my mechanical engineering from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar University, Aurangabad in 2018. After that, I was preparing banking examination for 2 to 3 years, and then after that, I joined the Evision Technology. It is the best platform to switch in IT sector. They provided a very good training, 45 days under the good mentors and administrator. Then now I am selected in Saffron Aircraft Engine Services located at the Hyderabad at the package of the 4.2 LPA. Thank you for the eVision team. Thanks for the Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Sani ma'am. They very good supportive staff whenever I stuck, and they help me at every time. And then after that, the thankful to my eVision teachers. Special thanks to Prasanjit sir. They always supports students and motivates the students. Thank you for everyone.